A thinner and more streamlined variant of the previously unveiled Galaxy Z Fold 6 is about to be introduced by Samsung as the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition may have managed to include S Pen support after all, according to a fresh leak from a trustworthy source. Previous rumors had indicated that this special edition foldable will not support the S Pen stylus, in contrast to its predecessor. Although there won't be a built-in slot or holder for the stylus, Ice Universe, a well-known leaker X, has verified that the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition will support the S Pen. Instead, the S Pen will be sold separately, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung may need to create new methods to allow S Pen support on the Z Fold Special Edition, according to Ross Young, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, even if specifics are yet unknown. This is because a digitizer may not be included in the next foldable device owing to thickness and budgetary constraints. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition's absence of a digitizer may restrict some of the more sophisticated S Pen functionalities, leading to a less sophisticated passive stylus that uses capacitive touch instead of active pen technology. Samsung is unlikely to go for such a basic solution, however, considering how expensive this device is. There's a drawback to think about as well. There are rumors that the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition may only be released in China and South Korea, perhaps prohibiting sales in other regions. Although details about the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition's features and specs are still being kept under wraps, it seems like an interesting choice for anyone looking for a foldable smartphone that is lighter and thinner and may support the S Pen. There is no denying that tech aficionados are excited about these revelations. I'll certainly be keeping an eye on this gadget since I love foldable devices. I'm hoping the video is enjoyable. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.